In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient color to text in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn plain, solid colored text into eye-catching gradient lettering that instantly stands out in your designs. First, open your design in Canva and add the text you want to style. You can do this by selecting the text option and choosing a heading, subheading, or body text, then typing in your words. Make sure your text is selected by clicking directly on it, so you can see the text box and editing options at the top of the screen. With your text selected, look for the Effects button in the toolbar above your design. Go ahead and click on Effects. This is where Canva keeps a range of styling options for your text, like shadows, outlines, and other special looks. It's important to start here, because many color and style controls are linked to which effect you're using. After you click on Effects, you may see a list or panel of different styles appear on the left or above your text. Select the effect style you want to use for your text. Even if you only plan to change the color, choosing an effect can sometimes unlock additional styling options, depending on the font and layout you're using. If you're not sure which one to pick, you can start with a simple effect and adjust later. Once you've selected your effect, look above your design for the color control. Click on the color box or the color icon above. This is where you normally choose a solid color, but it's also where you'll find gradients. When the color menu opens, you'll see your document colors, default colors, and additional options. Now, navigate to the gradient section inside that color menu. Look for an area labeled gradients, or scroll until you see a variety of Blender color swatches. Go to gradient and select the gradient style you like best. You'll see options that move from one color to another, such as soft blends or more dramatic combinations. Click on the one that fits your design, and Canva will automatically apply that gradient to your selected text. Take a moment to review how it looks in your design. If needed, you can always repeat these steps to try different gradients until you get the exact look you want. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added gradient color to your text in Canva.